How to remove suggested messages on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove suggested messages on Instagram. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now, if you have a business Instagram account, usually Instagram is going to let the audience suggest some messages or maybe even you based on your previous replies. And if you want to turn the suggestion off, then all you have to do is go ahead and open up the Instagram application. Then once you launch the Instagram app, you want to tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then you just want to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then you want to simply go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find an option called business, where you just need to make sure to tap on the business option. And then over here you'll find the option called response suggestions. So all you need to do is tap on the response suggestions option here. Once you tap on the specific options that you see, you just want to make sure to turn this off. That's the suggestions based on replies that you previously made. Now you can come back. If you have saved any replies, you can try to delete that specifically, or if you have frequently asked questions as well, you can also make sure to just turn this thing off and then delete whatever else question you've added. This way you can go ahead and remove suggested messages on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.